Good evening, everyone. This is Rhythm Tamrakar, and welcome back to Harshit's channel. So we are going to be discussing about the topic, and our topic is debris. What is debris, and how the debris is becoming a very big challenge for the countries. And so let's get started with the video.
Okay, yes.
So who's going to be starting it?
Okay, I think firstly Ajay may start our meeting because at the end he lost his
No,
data.
I did not read it anything about you. So anyone who read it all the thing about it can start.
Okay, so let me start.
I have just little bit knowledge about it. So I think Rhythm sent the topic, so he has knowledge about it. So
She has,
sorry, she can start.
Okay. So
Okay.
Rhythm, you may.
So I want to go back to a little with the history or the back of it, and while sticking to the topic as well. So what is the space? 10 kilometers above from the sea level till the 200 kilometers is a space, and the things that we send to that space are satellites. So the thing that inspired me to take this topic in our GD was that day before yesterday, I read this news in the newspaper that China was implementing some. It was accusing Elon Musk. So it made me very curious to know about why China is accusing Elon Musk. So there was a news that there is an international space station that China sent, that the name of that was, I think, Tiangong mission. So it was an international space station of China, and he complained in international platform about this Elon Musk, that his satellite was about to collide with the China's international space station. Okay, so what is debris? A satellite whose fuel is ended and their parts are not working is called as debris. We can say that the garbage of our space is called as debris. So the satellites which are not following our command, which is not able to follow our command because the fuel has ended, so that is called as debris. Everyone knows that there are so many international missions and satellite missions that every country is sending. Nowadays, it is like there is a race in that field also in countries, between the countries. Every country is running behind that, and every country is sending the satellites in the space station. But there is no country that is talking about the debris. So I think that this is a very challenging topic. It is going to be very difficult for our country if today we will not think about it and do any things about it. So there's a company of Elon Musk,
SpaceX.
Starlink. The mission, SpaceX mission was there. The name of mission was Starlink. You people must have heard about it, that after Geo, Starlink SIM will come. So for that thing, Elon Musk is going to send some missions.
I want to ask you, Rhythm, is only
Right.
Elon Musk is responsible for debris?
No, never. I'm just telling how it has inspired me. So Elon Musk
We
is
are
sending
discussing how you
1900.
get the topic for the discussion, or you are.
No, how debris is going to affect us. This is the topic. I'm sticking to the topic only. I'm not getting to that Elon Musk only. So he's sending thousands of satellites. Can you get it? Thousands of satellites. There will be such a huge garbage there is going to be in the satellite. So I think there should be, this topic is needs are concerned very highly. There should be restrictions on a country also who is sending satellites in such a huge number, like thousands of satellites. 1900 satellites have already sent by Elon Musk, I think. Every country is doing it for their.
So these
purposes.
satellites are sending for some work, no? Not like he's sending increase their numbers.
Obviously.
So how can we neglect them?
No, there should be a proper management for that. We need satellites. Things are working. The world without satellite, we can't survive a single day without satellite. It is very much needed. But there should be a management also. Like we manage our earth with this garbage. So there should be a proper management of waste and garbage in the space as well. No country is thinking about it. And as we are Indians, so I think our government should take a step and we should do something for that.
Okay,
It is like a atikraman.
Please, anyone let me know in simple word what is debris. At present time, I can't get Rhythm's point. What is debris in simple word?
Actually, you can. So
yeah, Varis, you can.
So it be debris or it waste garbage. It consists of discarded of
satellites.
means what can be redundant satellite and launching vehicle which are orbits around the around the planet for nothing. Like they have completed
In
their
various-
duty and they are now not so much useful to provide signals. So they are just rotating around the planet and making garbage. Do you want to
Let
ask
me
anything?
explain, like in very general, like we sent all the satellites by rockets, okay, but in
Hmm.
rocket only a very small part is satellite, all the part are not
Yeah.
satellite, and the rockets who are not returnable, like not which will not get come back,
Uh-huh.
then they are parts who are not usable or not go through the satellite at the end,
Mhm.
then they are not usable, no? And they just rotating in our space and surrounding the earth. So these are the wastage of the satellites and everything, and we can't use them again. So these, and also the satellites which are defected or by some regions they are affected. So these are also like a garbage of space. This is the main thing. So we want to find the solution. How can we reduce these things? This is the
I think
main.
reusing it, like Ajay said, reusing it also can decrease the debris in the space. We can think about
Yeah,
that
yeah.
also.
Okay, Shivam, you also add something. Shivam, you are not audible.
Unmute yourself first.
No, he is unmuted, but I think his microphone.
Yeah,
is-
he's unmuted, but his voice is not coming.
Am I audible? Yes.
Now you are
Yes,
audible.
And now all of you has talked about debris. It is basically a kind of waste or material that is not working in the condition. And as we all know, every organization, as we SpaceX or every country in the world, actually makes actually do their space mission to just make sure their country won't left behind the world. So there has to be a management system, so they could just track individual, and everyone should take their responsibility. So so that as Rhythm had said about the SpaceX had sent around 1900 satellites. So means everyone is equally responsible for the debris. So as an organization who is actually making some a kind of a commercial profit from the missions, so that they could also manage a kind of a waste management system, or even the companies who are so they also have to take some responsibility and make sure that it won't cause harm in the future, and there should be a kind of a good communication between everyone. What are you doing?
I think you have to eat something, then you is a meeting.
What are you doing? Listen, actually,
I
need to
listen
find
everyone, but I think
Actually,
no
Harshit
one
is
of
recording
them.
the lecture is this group discussion is getting bored. So I think there must be some.
There must be some funny.
Actually,
So
we need to
people
make-
get engaged. Na?
Actually, we need to make kind of a.
I think you are speaking like that after the end of your line. Your mic is getting
No, he wrote something else, I think.
okay. So come to the point.
So who suggested this topic?
Okay.
No. Firstly, though,
Shivam,
I
go
want to
through.
tell you that no one of them make the clear statement. What is debris? How debris are formed, and how the debris is affecting us. So we are discussing that there are lots of things are there, Hana? How debris make effect on ourselves. That's why we are discussing this topic. So no one of them clear
There
this
is
point.
a high risk of collision between
No, you stop me. I was talking about
debris
that
and
only.
satellite
How
and
that can affect
debris
us.
and
You
Yes,
only
yes,
stop
spacecraft
me.
and within
So
debris.
firstly, you have to know that why the debris are formed in space. No, firstly,
It
though,
lacks
it
fuel.
doesn't come in space. Firstly, you have to know that how it formed. Like you all said, कि space satellite गई ऊपर आसमान.
I didn't maintain some have some dignity.
Yeah.
Okay.
We launch satellite. Number of satellites are there. After our work is completed, what we do with this satellite? We destroy them in space. Okay.
We just
We destroyed or by anything else. If our mission failed, the satellite were destroyed by itself also. Okay. So what the things is happening now that because of our gravitational pull, you know that Because of that
Because of
gravitational
Newton, we all
pull,
know that.
Anytime.
all the material waste products that revolve our earth, like moon, that means all the wastage of satellite were just revolving our earth and make a like a chain like system and revolving the earth. So this also don't make us any loss, but the loss is there ki
Yes, yes,
because of
yes.
number
These
of
are
launches,
making the
number of
loss.
satellites, the debris are formed like the size of debris are increasing day by day. And what make us loss is that when we launch another satellite, then these debris, you know, the rotation speed of that debris is million thousands kilometer
25,000
per hour speed.
265
If
kilometers.
any
65.
debris
That's the
touch a
minimum.
satellite for a small debris, if touch a satellite, then satellite will destroy itself.
Destroy.
Yeah.
And if a satellite
Huh.
is destroyed and that satellite is
So then you know
running
ki
the
how
same
much of
aeroplane,
loss
Then
of a
it will
nation.
form
loss,
more
drastic
debris.
loss.
So that's why the reason we are discussing ki what is debris. Okay.
So these are the things now we are telling you in last hour, last half,
At least
and
we
you are
are
asking
talking-
what we are talking about.
So what happening nowadays? The number of satellites make large amount of debris, and debris basically harm our solar panels and telescope and all the things that are very sensible things in a satellite outside of the satellite,
Yeah.
which is causing
You mean
harm.
Yeah.
solar system, not solar panel, I think.
Solar panel.
No,
When we launch our
actually-
satellite,
Of
na?
International Space Station.
Haan.
Of International Space
Hmm.
Station.
Because these debris are
Solar-
revolving around the earth, na? Because they get attracted by our gravitational pull, they can't go anywhere in
Yeah.
the space. They were just only revolving our
If
earth.
they are above 1,000
Ah.
kilometers away from
If the number of satellites were
surface,
there,
surface.
so at the end of 50 years, so there were like a polythene out of our earth, polythene of debris.
Yeah, these are like polythene.
If you
Actually,
search,
it will affect. Actually, it will affect a kind of a working instrument. That actual working instrument. And if we won't be able to just control it for now. What are you doing, Ajay?
no, carry on.
Just tell me.
Why are you Ajay making laugh? I am recording the whole things. Now I will upload. Anyhow, what are the things going on in the meeting?
So,
Okay, Shivam, carry on. What are you trying to say?
No, just continue.
Ah.
No,
Okay, Varis, tell something else.
Yeah.
We will discuss what is debris and how it is affecting us. So, what will
Yeah.
be the
What are the
things that should
solutions?
prevent from increasing the amount of debris? What are the precautions are there?
So first, the satellite which orbited 600 kilometer or less than 600 kilometer will automatically, pull back by the gravitational force of the Earth, and they just enter in atmosphere of the Earth and destroy automatically. And this satellite or this spacecraft which are above 1,000 kilometer above from the surface, orbit as it is. So, we have seen some countries have introduced the anti-missile system, which is basically destroy satellite.
S-400.
Yeah, not S-400.
No,
It's for aircraft.
S-400 is not
It's for aircraft,
look
not
inside.
satellite.
Yeah, it is for
Sorry.
aircraft.
So it's a kind of weapon which can be used against a country. I'm not sure, but well, it's not a perfect solution to tackle this problem, because we can't break a physics law and go against the physics and do something, because it's a crucial subject, and we have to take measures meticulously. We can't handle it perfectly, but at least we can do something to reduce the effect, like we can track debris, their location, and to prevent it from
There is
colliding
one
from
more
satellite
idea
and aircraft.
just came in my mind to stop this debris, is that we can stop that satellite that is going to be dead. We can stop that at a particular position in a particular angle that comes within the area of ocean or a sea, and when they'll hit the surface, it won't affect us.
The debris is
And it will come in
outside
the-
of our
It
Earth.
won't work perfectly. It won't work perfectly, I think.
I want
I
to
also think
I
that
want to
calculations will
ask
fail here. It won't be that perfect.
Who is making?
Okay, carry on.
I want to ask you, Paris, like you are telling us that if तो अपना mic बंद कर दे थोड़ा. Like, okay, if we are destroying the dead satellites or dead part of satellite, okay,
Then
then
part
how
will be
violating
remain
the
at
physics law?
in that orbit. I agree.
No, no, no.
Nahin,
Then
As
you
you
there will be
said
said,
no.
na, that we are going against physics. So how we are affecting the physics law and how we are going to against the physics law?
Well, there is
Destroying the
not a
satellites and-
perfect. There is no perfect plan to collect debris from the space.
Till now, there's no perfect plan.
You know, we can't live in space more than a year, maybe, I think. And we can't stop rotating satellite.
Yeah,
unless
but by
it is
missile we
destroyed.
can destroy it, no?
no,
But
no, no.
the
What are
remaining
you
particles,
saying?
The
Yeah.
they are
parts will be
destroyed,
there
part will
in
will
the
be
remain
space
at
only.
destroyed.
orbit, and it will, it will still rotate
No, no, no.
around
If you
its
destroy
orbit.
debris outside the surface of Earth, then it make a more small parts of a
Yeah,
debris.
it more.
Ah,
Yeah, it will
a single
create more
debris
debris.
converted to 1,000 pieces,
Hmm.
and that is more
Yes,
harmful.
yes.
So we can't
The
destroy
other
it by
only
rockets
way
or anything.
to decrease the
Explosive.
number of debris in the space is to call back to them to the Earth only, and there is no.
I think there must be a backup plan, like if the satellite is stopped working, then there is an option to get commit back into the Earth.
Before the fuel is ending up, one should decide what to do with the debris. It shouldn't
I
just
think
stay in the.
But it's you, as you had
Well,
said,
it's only
explosive
possible for a
doesn't even have
spacecraft,
an
not
option.
satellite, I think. What do you think?
Satellite is only for rotation
No.
without any power
Yeah,
or fuel.
exactly.
They can rotate with the gravitational
Only
pull only.
spacecraft has ability to do so, but not satellite.
Spacecraft put a satellite to the Earth rotation phase only.
Yeah, and it can come back,
Ah.
but not satellite. That's the main problem. We still don't have a foolproof plan to tackle debris in the space.
But explosion is also a technique, and it is quite familiar use, because as we know.
Sorry, can you
as we-
please repeat what technique?
Explosion.
Actually, I'm saying that exploding can be option, but because as we split a kind of
I have
substance into
already-
smaller particle, and as the particle goes smaller, and due to high temperature and pressure, high pressure, it most of the time it will just degrade,
I also have,
Okay.
or kind of it won't create such kind of bigger problem. Okay, Jay.
okay, so my idea is like that these parts are revolving to our Earth. Okay, so we can also hit these part by or explosion or by missile, okay, in their direction also to increase their velocity. Okay, then they will converted into very small part, and we have to explosion it, or we have to like give the velocity that they need to come out from the periphery of Earth, so they can come in Earth again, Earth ground. So because of air friction, they will be destroyed automatically. They will not